The 4 things that I would require you to do to work on a correct grip is a golf glove, a golf club, a paper clip, and a red Sharpie. Okay guys, we now have the 4 items for a neutral grip. The first thing I'm going to do is place my glove on my left hand as a right-handed golfer. Make sure the glove fits snug. It's very important you have the right size fit glove. You can check that where there's no excess at the end of each finger, and if you pull from the center here at the palm, there shouldn't be much give there. A nicely snug fit glove is very important. Secondly, I'm going to take my paper clip and I'm going to place it between my thumb and forefinger so that I form a connection between those 2 fingers. That's going to create a V that I'm going to use as a guide of whether I'm neutral or strong or weak. Nextly, I'm going to take my red pen. Red, it's time of danger right now. We want to make sure that we're staying safe and we have a neutral grip. Okay, now we're going to use our red pen and draw the arrow on our hand. I'm going to start with 2 dots here where I've made that connection, and those dots should come together and form a line. From those 2 dots, I'm going to draw an arrow straight up where the V's pointing. And this is going to help me better understand where that V is to achieve a neutral grip. I'm now going to show you how to draw on the knuckles. This part of the artwork, it's important that we place our hand on a table so that I can now draw the X's on the knuckles as we form a fist. So I'm going to draw 3 knuckles, one on the first one here, one here, and one here. Place 2 final X's on my hand, one on the hooker of the index finger, and one where the muscle pad is of my left hand. Okay, now I'm going to grab the golf club and I'm going to apply the artwork. Let's see if we can create a masterpiece. So I'm going to hold the club in my right hand, making sure that the club face is square, and I'm going to start the grip in the base of that finger in the hooker, and I'm going to place the butt end of the grip right underneath the X and place that X on top. I'll close my hand and fingers on that grip, and I should now be able to see that that V and arrow point towards my right shoulder, and that I can see between 2 and 3 knuckles. That is a neutral grip. And I check the V of the right hand, and that also points at the right shoulder.